Hey everyone, this is Christopher Legrone, and I'm using a tool called SnagIt to show you how to use another tool called Adobe Premiere Pro. And under this tool, it's a video editing software. So very quickly, it has 4 panels that you start off with. This is the project panel here to your bottom left. Imports your videos and your images to be used. To make sure everything looks okay, all you have to do is double click it and it will show you up here to the top left, which is your source panel, to make sure that the video and image looks the way that you want it to look. From that point, you go down to your bottom right where your timeline happens to be. So once you see something that you like, you will automatically double click it and it brings that picture and video over here to your right. And you can change it up however you want to, including adding audio. Once you're at that point, then you have an opportunity to be able to, as you just briefly saw, get a preview of what you have. Let me give you a few seconds. Hey everyone, my challenge is to see if I can create a professional grade video for 1 minute and at the same time somehow entertain you. So that gives you a little bit of how Adobe Premiere Pro works and how SnagIt works. So SnagIt is allowing me to screen capture everything you're seeing here, and then I'll be able to use it later. It also allows me to take images and make edits to those as well, adding things such as arrows and text and steps to help me teach or lay out a certain plan. So I just want to make sure I gave you an idea of how SnagIt works. It's a great tool, and I hope you enjoyed this.